Hello everyone guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial. And if you're seeing this error message guys, basically Apple Intelligence is currently available in your country or region. So if it's not available in your country or region, or don't worry guys, I'll walk you through how, a few solutions to actually fix this issue where it says that Apple Intelligence is not available in your region. So first things first, guys. Let's understand the issue. So this error basically happens because Apple Intelligence features like personalized recommendations are not supported in certain countries or regions, but they are actually workarounds, guys. Okay. So what you want to do first is you want to check your country settings. So what you want to do is go to your settings on your device. Okay, just tap on Apple ID at the top and select Media and Purchases. Okay. Then what you want to do is choose a view account and then country or region. And then what you're gonna do is basically change your country to a supported country. Okay, for example, the United States or UK, and make sure to update your payment information to match this selected country. So your payment information would have to match the country. For example, if you put US, you'll have to have a US bank card, okay, a debit card. And the other option, what you can do, guys, is you want to install and connect to a VPN. So what you're gonna do is download and install a reliable VPN app from the App Store, and just connect to a server in the country where Apple Intelligence is actually available. And then basically, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to restart your device and check if the feature is working. If that also doesn't work, guys, another workaround is just update your iOS. So what you can do is go to settings and then go to general and then go to software update. Ensure that your device is actually running the latest iOS version because Apple may have extended support for your region in certain updates. Okay. And guys, if you are from one of the regions where this is actually available and the issue still is persisting, what you can do is reach out to Apple support for assistance. They may offer insights specific to your account or region. And there you have it, guys. You can try these steps and hopefully you'll resolve the issue. And guys, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you guys next time.